Guys, these are young hunters. That's what animal is this?
Bush baby.
Oh, that's a bush baby. You can see. How did you catch it?
That is jumpy. That you catch him with that.
Huh? How did you catch that? How did you catch it?
Who's not Kizungu here?
Who knows who can speak English? Who can speak English? Who can speak English? You. So how did you catch the monkey? TM. So you use the dogs?
Yes.
How many dogs do you have?
10.
10 dogs?
Yes.
And you guys go to hunt just you without any adult? So how far do you go? Very far? How far? TM, I'm asking them to explain how they caught this monkey. They can't speak English.
Mmefanya vipi ndio mkashika hawa matumbili?
Anapanda juu, chini kashikwa na ile huyu hapo ameshikwa na huyu alafu na huyu akasema na huyu hapa
Kutoka juu ya mti akaruka akashikwa na simba. So simba ndio amemshika huyu.
Akashikwa ndo akamshika kichwa huyu. Alafu ikaja na yule
Sasa watu wakampamia. Huyu mwingine
huyu ameshikwa na huyu hapa na yule huyu na yule kule.
Mmewatoa hapa ndani.
Huyu hapa tunamshika kule, huyu tunamshika huko.
Sasa hawa wote mwenda kuwakula? Mwatengeneza?
Yes.
Alafu nazichoma?
So explain what he's explained.
So the boys are saying that this monkey was on top of the tree.
Yeah.
And suddenly he dropped down. And this dog here, the Simba.
Simba, that's Simba.
Yes, yeah, this Simba.
So Simba did there.
Yeah, Simba is the one who catch the monkey. And the squirrel.
No, that's not a squirrel, it's a bush baby.
Yeah, this one, yeah, the bush baby. Ameshikwa na nani bush baby?
Na mambo hayo. Tap na Scar.
Anaitwa Tap Tap.
Tap Tap is a brown dog.
Yeah, the brown dog there.
And where is Scar?
Scar.
Oh, that's Scar.
Yeah, that one is Scar. So Scar is the one who catch the squirrel.
Baby.
Yeah, so the boys are rushing to prepare
to
the
go and
meal.
prepare. So are they going to prepare it or they'll give an adult?
They are going to prepare it themselves. Mnaenda kuitengeneza wenyewe? So the boys they are only requesting for the maize flour so that they can
go and prepare their ugali.
The meat here.
So how frequent do they catch this? Do they go every time?
Huwa mnazishika baada ya muda gani?
Kama Jumamosi. Kama kuna holiday, wako tunajawinda.
Oh, so every holiday
or holiday activities.
Yeah, there is a holiday and weekend activities.
Wow.
So they always do it every time they are having their free time. Na mnaenda shule?
Yeah.
So the days they are going to school, but when there is holiday or a weekend, they are on this duty.
And are they allowed to catch monkeys actually?
Mnaruhusiwa kuwashika?
The government doesn't disturb them.
Yeah, so they are saying that they are allowed to catch them because they are destroying these iron sheets and also destroying some bananas who is planted inside the prison. Yeah. So I think
angalia na huyu hapo waga piga makelele na usiku. Wanaga watu ambao tuwashika.
Do you have one machine? Do you have cash? I don't think I can give them. I have cash, I can give them 100 to go and buy them.
So wewe umesema napiga kelele usiku?
Napiga makelele watisha na usiku. Unaona macho yake yanawaka.
Oh, so that's why you were told to catch him.
What was it doing?
Yeah, this one is making noise at night.
Oh, this makes noise at night?
Yeah, so they were told to catch him and
get rid of.
Yeah.
Tumbo sana huu. Hapo nasira huko namkula vibaya huu.
The boy is saying this one has been disturbing them, so they are angry with him. They are going to eat him very badly.
Eat it very badly. Yes. Okay. Enjoy your meal.
Mwende mka enjoy chakula ya siku.